status of the patient. It একটা উপায় আছে আর একটা উপায় আছে আপনার ইয়াতে একটা সেন্টার বানাবো there is no other alternative.
So this is my second point, sir. Please you open up one center, sir, so that emergency situation can be met up. Then thirdly, it's my promise, sir. So stress factor can never kill me, sir. I can guarantee you.
Good.
So being a kidney transplant patient, I have ignored all types of stress up to 32 years. Now stress is no longer in my dictionary, even in my mind. So I can guarantee in the audience that I will never die of stress factor, but I will die of many other complications being a kidney transplant patient. That is my guarantee to you, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you. I really am happy to your optimistic feeling. आप लोग ये जो प्रॉमिस करो ना यंग न्यूरोसर्जन बोली वो कौन बार यंग लोग जो प्रॉमिस करो मैं अपना सब फलोर पर आम्मा को लो तो मैं एक केजी मशीन डोनेट करी मारो 1 लाख টাকা मैं दिजाम at least there should be 6-7 clubs ক্লাবের ভিতর বিপি ইনস্ট্রুমেন্ট থাকা কোন বাই বিপি মাপাটো জানি লই পেলাই তারপর করো at least বিপি ব্লাড প্রেসার তো কন্ট্রোল করো ব্লাড সুগার তো কন্ট্রোল করো আর ওয়াকিং তো আপনার নিজের উপর নির্ভর করে খোয়াটো আপনার নিজের উপর নির্ভর করে কোনো আপনার হেল্প করবো না মই যে ইয়াত একটা রুমত আছো মই আফটার দিস মিটিং whether I will drink alcohol there or not who knows it tomorrow breakfast whether I will take omelette bread with butter and then কিমান যে কোনে জানে যে আমি একটু করিব না সো চেনে মানে আমি যেটা আপনি if you do not love yourself you cannot get rid of the problem আপনার মই একটু কথা আমি আর even bright audience বহুত কম জায়গাত মই পাইছো এই bright audience তো কেলে ভাবা নাই এটা ঝুলি লই পেলাই 5 টাকা করে উঠাব নোৱাৰে মানে একদম পুরা Borolanders ওই ল্যান্ডের পর স্টার্ট হয়ে 5 টাকা দিয়ে আসুন 5 টাকা দিয়ে আসুন ইভেন ইউ মেক ইট 1 ইয়ার আপনার কিমান টাকা হয় তার ভিতরে আপনি একটা হেৰি করক আপনি একটা প্রোগ্রাম করক প্ল্যানিং করক মই যিমানখিনি হেল্প কৰিব লাগে মই কৰি দিম ইন মাই ক্যাপাসিটি হোয়াট ইট ইজ নিডেড আপনি যদি 3 মান্থস ইন্টারভিউত মোক ইয়াত আনি পেলাই আজি যিটো ক্রাউড কথা পাতিলে ফাইন another crowd আহিব দিয়ক let there be a meeting in the university let there be a meeting in the college let there be a meeting in the school let them understand I will tell those boys who are in class 8 9 10 11 be neurosurgeon look after Boroland my slogan I'm ready because I like this place not কোনো interest নাই except only one interest is that you people are good I like to be with you and I would like to die with you here not in Siliguri if this is also I can do that because I was in England for 4 years I had huge amount of struggle in my life but I love to be struggle I love to be defeated also I don't care about money I don't care about anything but definitely I care about the smiling face of the Boroland because I like this place yes sir apni ki ba call
Yes, thank you doctors for being here in Koknazar. I am very much benefited by this program. I would like to share one of my problems. It's not a question but sharing my problem. Sir, I sometimes once in a month or so, like I get pain in my left nerve, this area, and I feel like a bit dizziness that can be ignorable dizziness. So what kind of problem is that? Is it related to the blood pressure or
no yeah you have to first thing is that you cannot ignore anything you should
be ignorable means I can
first thing is that whether you have got cervical spondylosis you should do a neck x-ray and you see the color doppler of these two vessels as I say showed you and I have a feeling that it is due to cervical spondylosis you are having pain a little bit of dizziness or giddiness if you do some exercise leg exercise and if you take a little bit of some medicine for 2 to 3 weeks and if you do the exercise it will resolve it will be all right
thank you very much sir.
Thank you Yes.
One simple thing I want to know, sir.
Yes.
We have learned one thing that if someone goes for medication for controlling this, for controlling this blood, this is your this blood sugar or this high pressure. Once he goes for medication, he or she has to take it for long life.
Whole life.
Is it true, sir?
Yes. Whole life. It can be reduced, but it cannot be stopped. The reduction is. Can I see? The reduction can be done. Can you do meditation? If you can do meditation, you can get. Only problem with the blood pressure is not only the medicine. If you take medicine and if you avoid salty diet, extra salt, and third, if you do meditate, then you can reduce the doses, but you cannot stop the medicine. And you see, meditation, if you can do, as I said, that till today I'll be saying that whatever I have said, the first important factor is the stress. I will not, these are authority type of knowledge which we have learned from different sessions. But I will say that if you can control your stress, 50% disease will be, if you can reduce your body weight, so I am 182 centimeter, everything will disappear. But you have to take the low doses medicine.
Sir, there is a little different kind of situation with my wife, because since 2007 she's under medication, and she's under medication for maintaining her blood pressure level, and as I have observed that she told me, and I have seen also when doctors check and she herself checks, that she used to have a normal blood pressure level of 80 and 60 only.
80 by 60.
Yes. Then if it goes up by 90, then she complains of headache, dizziness, uncomfort, and all this kind of situation. So many times I have been visiting doctors along with her. Then it has been told she has been under medication with low dose, what you have just said, for a whole life, probably. Then the situation came when my first baby was, when she conceived the first baby. Then during her pregnancy time, whole period was under normal. She didn't take medicine. There was no more medication or pressure medicine. Again, after baby was born, thereafter also for 2 years, she was not under medication and she was quite fine and normal. And again, after that, it started. And then the same, if it goes up to 80 or 90, then it comes. Then the doctor said, to whom we used to consult, he said that, see, yours is a very peculiar type of blood pressure level. So that you have to continue and you have to maintain that level. So that is what I didn't see here, because we have normally 80 by something, 100, 120 by that we have seen in your normal this thing. So that's what I have a query. Is there any kind of such situation that a person may have a very peculiar type of blood pressure level to maintain normal pressure level?
It is a compliance situation. So if the systolic is, you said that 80, 90 and diastolic is 60, 70. 67. Right. If this is like this, then she should drink a lot of water, particularly coconut water, to increase a little bit of blood pressure. Because you know all blood pressure is important for all nutrients, whatever we eat, it goes to these cells. Kidney has got its own pressure, brain has got its own intracranial pressure. Blood pressure minus intracranial pressure is the perfusion pressure that goes to the cell. So that is to be sorted out. So that is a little bit of low. I will suggest that to do a renal artery study and to the neck artery study. And if all those things normal, allow her to take a little bit of salty diet and coconut water and drinking more water, at least of 3, like this, 5 to 6 bottles in a day, right? So it should be a bit up. That can be possible.
Sir, she takes everything under because she is also a staff nurse. She's a midwife for GNM. Then one more thing is that salt, as you suggested, that actually she takes very less salt, and she knows that if you take little more, then she gets that pinch of that pressure level.
No, 100 she never got 130, 140.
She has gone, and I have taken her to hospital, and she was shivering, and then all things sort of things happened, and
That time what was the blood pressure?
it was 120. When it was 100 and 120 only.
100 is a little bit of high diastolic. 120 is okay. And maybe her blood pressure 80/60 is normal for herself. It is a genetic factor. So you don't need to worry for that. Only you need to see whether she passes urine quantity is good or not. Sometimes every year you should have blood urea creatinine level of that particular individual.
Firstly, I thank you very much, honorable guest, and I'm very glad to get opportunity to join here in this medical awareness program. And I প্রথমতে মনে একটা কোয়েশ্চন হল যে রেড মিট মই মোটামুটি আৰু ৰেড মিট আপুনি যিটো ক'লে ৰেড মিট আৰু যিটো ব্লাড প্ৰেছাৰ ইনক্ৰিজ কৰে হ'লে সেইটো নহয় মানে চৰ্বি কলেষ্ট্ৰল ইনক্ৰিজ হ'লে আৰু সেইমতে যিটো মাছতো চৰ্বি থাকে ডাঙৰ ডাঙৰ মাছৰ কিন্তু কিছুমান মেডিকেল জাৰ্নেলত কৈছে যে যিটো ওমেগা 3 ফেটি এচিড আৰু যিটো জাপানিজ পিপলৰ লাইফ ষ্টাইলটো আটাইতকৈ বেছি ৱৰ্ল্ডত নাম্বাৰ 1 বিকজ দে আৰ ভেৰি মাছ কনজাম্পশ্যন সি ফিছ মানে সাগৰীয় মাছৰ কাৰণে ফেটি এচিডটো এক্সেছ হোৱাৰ কাৰণে ইহঁতৰ ব্লাড চাৰ্কুলেশ্যন ভাল হয় কিন্তু যদি মাছত যদি কলেষ্ট্ৰল যদি ইনক্ৰিজ হয় কিছুমান কিতাপত দিছে আৰু কিছুমান কৈছে ওমেগা 3 ফেটি এচিডটো ব্লাড চাৰ্কুলেশ্যন ভাল কৰে মানে মিনিমাইজ কৰে কলেষ্ট্ৰলটো মানে এইটো মোৰ অলপ কনফিউজন আছে
After fish is never bad. You can take fish all the time, right? But the question is that you don't get fresh fish. Fish, when we get all fish from Andhra, this and that, this is when fish is become more than 5-6 days, it becomes different type of fish. You keep it in the fridge, the chemistry of the inside the muscle of the fish changes. So that becomes different. Red meat you should not avoid, you should take, but not frequently, because B12 is, it causes degeneration of the axon neurons of the nerves and all the peripheral nerves. So you have to take red meat once in fortnight. You cannot stop red meat, but we take every day. Most of the big group bunch of people are taking everyday meat. That should be stopped. White meat like chicken can be taken, but it should be prepared like boiled chicken sort of things. Fish you can take, in our Indian fish you take, you cannot see the sea fish because sea fish omega 3 fatty acids are more fine. Even egg, you can take, that protein is needed for us because egg yolk, that is yellow part of the egg, also you can take twice egg in a week. With yolk, because that you don't get anywhere in vitamin D except sun rays and the egg yolk. Vitamin D is most important nowadays because it is anti